Are you a Marvel fanboy or fangirl? Was your childhood filled with the adventures of Kapish the monkey, Supandi or Chacha Chaudhary? Or are you more of an old soul, passionately interested in shairi and ghazal? No matter what your interests are, we have got you covered. Hi, I'm Neha. I teach English at Azim Premji University, Bhopal, and this summer we are inviting all high school students to join us for a series of workshops covering a range of subjects. So in English, we will be offering two sessions. The first session concerns the ghazal in English. We will be looking at questions like, how is it that a form that began as something to be sung in Urdu has now turned into one of the trendiest forms of poetry in English? We will be looking at a few ghazals around the theme of light and darkness and exploring how words function through this particular form. For the next session, we will be looking at comics as a medium full of world building possibilities. So what does a panel mean within the world of comics? What does a gutter mean? How do they inform the world building possibilities of a form that is taking a three-dimensional complex world and representing it on a two-dimensional paper? So these are a few questions that we will be exploring through the workshops. These workshops will be beginning from 30th April and they will be taking place online. So you can attend them from the comfort of your own home. Please do register. We hope to see you there.